we spent about a year working very, very often in the pubs and that sort of thing. I think in our first year as INXS we played to, I don't know how many people, but we played about 280 shows or something incredible, literally 5-6 nights a week. And we did that for a whole year until we actually signed a contract. And then we did our first album, which was our debut album, just entitled INXS. And that did very well and went gold, which was, you know, nice for a debut album. And then we recorded Underneath the Colours, which was really studio album, the band kind of getting their heebie-jeebies off in the experimental sort of fashion. We did it with an old sort of a really old, well, not really old, what am I saying? Richard Clapton was a so from the late 60s, I guess, singer-songwriter from Australia, which is kind of interesting because we were sort of one of the newer type bands, and we wanted some of his influence, and I think he, cleverly enough, wanted some of ours, and on his next album. And then we did Shaboo Shabaa, which is the third album, and that was the first one to be released overseas. It was released in America, and ended up being top 40, and we had a hit in America too off that album called The One Thing, and so we went over there and we spent a lot of time there last year touring America. We spent 7 months, I think, touring all over the States, and then we came home via England to record The Swing.